Imagine this. A lady is strolling past a pet store when a parrot calls out, "Hey lady, you're really ugly." The lady was furious and continued on her way. On the way home, she passed by the pet store again, and the parrot once again said, "Hey lady, you're really ugly." She was incredibly ticked now, so she went into the store and said that she would sue the store and kill the bird. The store manager apologized profusely and promised he would make sure the parrot didn't say it again. The next day, she deliberately passed by the store to test the parrot. "Hey lady," it squawked. "Yes," she paused. "You know,